Okay, in this video, I'd like to show you how we set up our floor plan for the working drawings, but then also how we can duplicate that floor plan and have another copy that we would use for, say, our presentation or our PowerPoint that maybe shows all the furniture and shows the colors and everything. So to try to get it all done in one plan, it's too much information and it makes it not really usable for the people doing the construction trying to snap the lines and lay out the walls and actually build the building. So here I've got my example plan for the slab on grade house, and I just went ahead and I drew a window and a door, and I'm sorry, a interior partition, a door, a room tag, a dimension, and some furniture. And so let's show you how the duplicate works. So when I want to duplicate something, I right click on my first floor plan, and then in the drop down box here, I can duplicate with detailing, and duplicate as a dependent. I'm going to show you the first two. The third one is like if, say, I have a really big floor plan that can't fit on a sheet and I have to break it into little sections like they did with the integrated tech building. That's when you use the duplicate as dependent. But we're not going to need to do that for our little houses here. So the first one I want to do is duplicate. And when I duplicate it, it doesn't bring the detailing that's view specific along with it. So let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to rename this so we know what it is here. So I'm going to right click on here and hit rename, and I'm going to call it first floor duplicate. Oops, let's rename it. I got to rename it down here. First floor, and then we're going to type in duplicate. Now, in reality, if we use this for the furnishings plan, or an interior design plan, if we wanted to show like the flooring or something like that, we would call it what it is. But I just want to show you the difference between the two different kinds. So when you look at the difference now, you can see that the room tag did not come in, and the dimension did not come in, but the furniture came in. So that's how you do the first floor duplicate. So now let's show you the next one, which is duplicate with. So I'm going to go back to my first floor, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go to duplicate view. And this one time I'm going to go to duplicate with detailing. And so let's go ahead and rename that one. I'm going to abbreviate it. Oh, why isn't it working here? Let's try one more time. So this is duplicate with detailing. So you see the difference between the duplicate was the room tags, the door tags, the dimensions did not come through. You can still see the section arrows, they come through no matter what we do. But then the duplicate with detailing, all that stuff comes through. So like the room tags, the door tags, the dimensions all come through on duplicate with detailing. So you can do it either way. So if you wanted to do first floor duplicate and then you wanted to add room names and go back in and tag them again, that's a little bit of work. If you do duplicate with detailing and say you want your tags in, but you don't want your dimensions and your door tags in, you can just, now I personally do this in hiding in view instead of visibility graphics. Just the way I kind of like it. So if I go to hide in view and I go to category, now all the dimensions are gone. I can go to hide in view, category again, and now all the room tags, door tags are gone. I can do the same things with window tags. And I can always come back here and then unhide them in view. So it's easier for me, being a graphic thinker, to see this stuff here versus to having to go to visibility graphics and remember what I had turned on and off. Now, say, let's imagine this is my furniture plan. I could hide these in view because we don't need these. So I'm going to go to category. So you see I've got it cleaned up. And for the furniture plan, you're not probably going to put that on the construction documents. You can, but your probably main concern is to do that for your presentation, or if you do a PowerPoint to show it to the client. So if you're looking for some more kind of visually striking, apart from showing all your furniture, you can go in and use this realistic one. Now, I just got a concrete floor here. But you can see that gives you a different view that you might prefer for your presentation. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you.